Why do I even need an air fryer? Well, it's a common opinion that an air fryer is kind of useless tool in the kitchen. And to be honest with you, I was one of those people. I always thought it's kind of like a mini oven and you know, what's the point? But Aicook sent me an air fryer and honestly, I was surprised at how much I loved it. My favorite part about an air fryer is that you don't have to preheat it like with oven. So let me show you. So I have some veggies here that I marinated the day before. Now we're just gonna put it in. Okay, so start, and now we have manual here. 370 sounds good, and let's check the switch the time. I think 7 minutes should be enough, and start. That's it, it's start cooking already. How awesome is that? Ooh, look at that beauty. I want mushroom. Okay, I probably have to wait because it's super hot.
This is good content.
Right? That's the content you guys deserved. Super hot still, but good. Okay, let's move to the next meal. So the next food item I want to cook it in an air fryer is chicken tenders. I got them from Trader Joe, and traditionally you're supposed to cook them in the oven, but as you can see you have to cook them for 10 minutes, and you have to flip them, and you have to cook them for another 5 minutes. Yesterday I made those guys in less than 7 minutes. Let's try it. Okay, and I'm gonna keep the same temperature, and I'm gonna set 6 minutes. See you in 6 minutes. All right, they're ready. Here you go. They're super hot, so I'm gonna give them a couple more minutes to chill. Trying to chill my chicken nuggets. Okay, I'm gonna risk it. I don't care. Obviously, buffalo sauce. Thanks to an air fryer, you can have the chicken nuggets delivered into your system, not in 12, but it's 6 minutes. There is something else I really want to try to make in air fryer, buns. I just spray it with a little bit of oil, just to prevent sticking. Okay, and let's carefully transfer them. I'm gonna try to make a little flour, we'll see. Okay, check it out. Now let's put it in. And I would use a pizza setting this time. I don't know if you can see it, it's right here. 320 and how much time? 11? It was 12. Okay, let's try it. So excited. Let's check them out. Ooh, so pretty. I'm just gonna spread them with a little bit of garlic and herb oil. Smells incredible. Just look at this beauty. And while these are getting cold, let me show you one thing I do not like. Four times, yes. I don't know, maybe just me, but it's kind of annoying that it beeps 4 times. I personally think 3 beeps is a sweet spot. Am I wrong? Let me know in the comments. So the price is less than $100 and I honestly think it's worth the investment. I've been using this machine for the past month almost every day. I'm toasting bread in it, I'm baking bread in it, I'm roasting vegetables. It's great. It's cut my cooking time in half, if not more. I don't have to preheat the oven. I don't have to heat up the entire apartment when I'm heating the oven because I'm just using this guy. I don't know, I'm just loving it. I was kind of worried about how to clean it because, I don't know, for some reason I thought it's gonna be extra complicated, but it's not. Check it out, there's just one button and you clean the bottom, you clean the top. That's it.